We don't make widgets in our organization, so we're not making nuts and bolts. We're making dietary supplements that are being taken by people. We're making something that is valuable, that is going to save lives in the future. And that's something that's important to be a part of.
I graduated in December of 2016 from Mid-State Technical College as an industrial maintenance technician. We had Melissa, our HR director, came through with our maintenance supervisor and gave a little spiel about Ortho Molecular Products and that they were looking for a second shift maintenance tech. And once I had graduated, been here ever since. I really enjoy coming to work every day, knowing that I'm making vitamins and supplements to help people get through their lives. They've definitely supported me a lot, especially coming straight out of college, with helping me grow and learn in the industry and making me feel welcome and trusting that I'll be always making the right decision.
At Ortho, it's because efficacy matters. So when we formulate a product, we're formulating for efficacy. And we don't think about cost, of course we do, but it's about, will the product do what we want it to do? I think the right person for our business is somebody who's got good character and that wants to continue to grow, that wants to accomplish great things in their life. If they feel that medicine is broken like we do, I would ask them to come and join us in that pursuit of transforming medicine.
You know, if you want to come and work for a place that you're going to feel cared for, then this is the right place for you.